Hey, happy Friday morning, everyone. Normally we would be doing Feature Tool Friday, or we'd be doing questions on the water, but you know what? We are really behind on these SCOTDs. So for the next couple Fridays, this Friday, next Friday, and maybe the Friday beyond, we want to get caught up on these. So these are sign carvers of the day, and these will be going from April 9th through May 2nd. And you guys obviously are seeing this. You should be seeing this like on July 15th. So we are like more than 2.5 months behind. So we want to get caught up on these. So for this foreseeable future, the next few Fridays, we'll probably be doing 20 of the SCOTDs. And there's some really great ones. I'm really excited to show these to you guys. So what? Oh, yeah. Oh, by the way, don't forget, we're the middle of July. We only got another couple weeks left on the big giveaway, the Sizzling Summer Power Tool giveaway. Hey, I said it correctly. Yeah, I had to slow down there in the middle a little bit. But anyway, it's that Milwaukee cordless router worth around $400. So, here's a picture of the package. It's the batteries, the charger, the tool, the router, the modification, the base, the whole deal. So if you guys haven't heard about it, you still got a couple weeks to enter. All you got to do, well, we've got directions on how to do that. If you have any questions on it, let us know. But anyway, basically you get entered in the drawing for a $50 or more order through Make a Wood Sign. So, and you get one entry for every $50 increment that you order. So it's a great package. International people, you guys are absolutely in on this as well. The only thing is, if you win, you need to pay the shipping to get it to you, whether it's Albania or New Zealand, whatever. So anyway, good luck to you guys, and thank you guys for all the orders. We so appreciate you. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm excited about sharing this. So first off, we have Jake's Garage. This is by Ed Matson. This one's really cool. I love the way it looks. He's a brand new sign carver, and I love the way he put the wrench, an actual overlay real wrench, right in the middle of the picture. I think it just looks really, really cool. Great job, Ed. Next, we have Miss Carmen Page, who has been with us for a couple years now, and she has become an excellent sign carver. Carmen, I'm so proud of you. You're doing so great. This is just a great one, a barbecue grill. I love it. It looks fantastic. I love your edge. Got a little burning going on there. Great job, Carmen. Next, we have Jay Townsend. Now, he is obviously, by this picture, you can see that he is a master scroll sawer. Unbelievable what he does with a scroll saw, but he's also got into carving. So look below the shelf and you'll see some carvings. There's about 6 of them, little carvings that he's done. So great job, Jay. Obviously, you are a master with a scroll saw, and you're doing great with a router. So keep up the great work, Jay. Love it. Next, we have a very first sign. This one is absolutely incredible, by Patience Wagner. Made this for her husband's new business, and it says Max Mechanical. Amazing for a first sign. Obviously, Patience, you have got a talent. I think it just looks fantastic. For a very first sign, it is super impressive. Great job. Next, we have a 5th sign by David Fees. Used our Gone Fishing template. David, you did a great job on this. It looks terrific. This is one that I think could be a big seller. So if you guys have this stencil, man, I think you get that in front of people. I think a lot of people will buy these. So I love the notch corners. Great job, David. Next, we have Gary Zellner. So Gary did something interesting. He actually took a board that was all bent and bowed and twisted, and rather than just cut it up and burn it, this is what he decided to do with it, which is, I think, a great idea. It just kind of goes with the shape of the board. So great job, Gary. Way to think outside the box, buddy. This next one by Jeff Toner, incredible. I think Jeff and Roz, husband and wife, by the way, from Canada, and I think this just looks so cool. I've never seen one quite like this. I just think it's great for and this is for the DeLorean Manitoba Theater up there in Canada where they're from, and I think it just looks fantastic. Great job, you guys. Love it. Next we have Dave Renfrow, and this is his very first sign ever. He obviously sharpens knives, and he's just trying to make a few signs, and he's all retired now, and he wants to earn some money to go fishing. So I can certainly understand that. That's my main motivation for making signs, to make enough money to feed my fishing habit. Anyway, great job, Dave. Love it. You're doing great. For a first sign, that's really terrific. Next, we have Irvin I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Lakewood. I'm gonna go with that. Irvin Lakewood, and this is LSU, and obviously their mascot is the Tigers. So he used our little tiger stencil, and did a great job on that, Irvin. I love it. Again, that's probably one you could sell a lot of. Next, we have Jay. Don't know Jay's last name. He normally just leaves it at Jay. He's been on Sign Carvers of the Day many times, and this one is really terrific. I love it. I absolutely love this design. I don't know if this is one he found somewhere or he made it up himself, but either way, terrific job, Jay. Way to make this really work, doing everything inset. I think it looks terrific. Great job. Next, we have Guy Fagerman, and this was one of our Live to Ride or biker signs, and he changed the wording inside to say victory, and I gotta say, really well done. That's not a super easy sign to make, especially when you're first starting out. So great job, Guy. Love it. Next, Lou Protentinus. This was for some nurse friends of Lou's, and it's the mascot of University of North Carolina, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong there, but I believe that's what it is. And great job, Lou. It looks terrific. Nice job on the color, and I love the way you did the outline, by the way. You went around the whole outline with a deep groove. That is something that I think really makes it stand out that much more. Great job, buddy. So here we have a first sign from Craig Alderman. This is for his wife and their B&B. They own a B&B. So he actually cut this tree from his property, dried it for 2 years, laminated 5 strips together to make this board. He used the profile bit and the spiral. And this is his first sign. Pretty impressive there, Craig. Great job, buddy. Love it. And it's pretty neat that you actually grew the tree and milled it down. Terrific job, buddy. Great job. Next up, we have Jeremy Hawthorne. Jeremy is one of our guys, and he did a great job on this. This actually is a piece of cedar. It's absolutely beautiful, and he's got the logo on here, or the stencil is actually named after my son, Ryan's place. Terrific job, Jeremy. Love it. Great job. Next, we have Mickey Sewell. So Mickey, this is kind of goes back to some videos from a while back. My dad, if you guys have been watching for a while, my dad had something that he came up with, put a magnet on the side of his hat. And since Dad's hat and magnet trick, Mickey has been addicted to using magnets around his shop. So he sticks everything up with magnets. So he made this for his sister who wants to learn how to carve. So this one is really cool. His sister is, and so you can see all kinds of different tools and stuff up there stuck on this board with magnets. Great job, Mickey. I love it. Great work, buddy. That's, again, probably one you could sell a lot of. That is a marketing idea right there, you guys. Next one is from Matthew Teams, and this is one I think it could be kind of a kitschy sign. I don't know if that's the right word or the right term, but I see this hanging up in somebody's kitchen, and I think kitchen signs and kitchen decor is a big market that you guys could do. Grandma's kitchen, all kinds of different kitchen stuff, I think could go real well, and that's where I kind of see this sign. So terrific job, Matthew. Love it. Next, we have a first sign from Chris Sayers. Drunken Pig. I like it. The picture is kind of cut off a little bit, but I'll tell you what, for a first sign, you're holding a really good line there, Chris. Great job. I love it. I don't know what the design is or who it's for, but I think it's great. Terrific. For a first sign, that's very impressive. Next, we have Scott Christian, our buddy from down in Phoenix area. Scott, that's a great job on this, buddy. This is for his friend's son, who obviously is into hot rods and racing. So terrific. And this is a birthday present for his friend's boy. So great job, Christian, or Scott. Excuse me. Great job, Scott. Keep up the great work, buddy. And next, we have Guy Fedorchuk. I hope I'm saying that right. Fedorchuk. And these signs are just amazing. They look like they're made out of oak. I love the edges. Man, this is just really, really well done. Gary, did I say Guy? Yeah, I meant to say Gary. Gary Fedorchuk. You'll have some editing to do on this. A little bit. Yeah, I'm just all over the place. But anyway, great job, Gary. I love them. Terrific. Definitely signs you could... We're just stumbling, bumbling all over the place. Yeah. Yes. I'm stumbling over the words and you're stumbling over your feet. Yeah. Anyway, I love these signs, Gary. These just look terrific. What a great group of signs. Last but not least, Bob Rose. Here's a great portrait, 17 by 17. Bob does really terrific work. He's been on Sign Carvers of the Day many, many times. So there it is, you guys. That is the Sign Carvers of the Day for today. Again, check out next Friday. We will be doing this again for sure. So if you guys have pictures of signs that you want to send to me, unfortunately, I can only take one picture per person per month, but definitely send them over to me. I'll put them in the stack and show them off for you on the channel. Thanks again, guys, so much for these pictures. Thanks so much for watching. Obviously, thanks so much for the business. Without your guys' support with the memberships and the, and ordering stuff, without your guys' support, we couldn't keep doing what we're doing. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.